As the bone-chilling winter descends upon the Himalayas and the 40-day period of Chilai Kalan grips Jammu and Kashmir, sources in the defense establishment have said that the Indian Army has intensified its counter-terrorism operations across the Kishtwar and Doda districts. Undeterred by freezing temperatures, treacherous terrain, and heavy snowfall, army units have expanded their operational reach into higher and snow-bound areas to pursue and neutralize Pakistani terrorists attempting to exploit the harsh season for concealment. Indian Army has adopted a proactive winter posture, establishing temporary bases and surveillance posts deep within snow-covered areas to maintain unbroken pressure on possible terrorist hideouts. Indian Army is leading a synchronized effort involving multiple security and law enforcement agencies, including the Civil Administration, Jammu and Kashmir Police or JKP, Central Reserve Police Force or CRPF, Special Operations Group or SOG, Forest Guards and Village Defence Guards or VDGs. This inter-agency cooperation ensures seamless sharing of intelligence, resource optimization and sharper operational execution. Intelligence from multiple agencies is carefully synthesized to draw precise situational pictures of terrorist movement and hideout patterns. Once intelligence is verified, coordinated joint operations are planned and launched, minimizing overlaps and ensuring maximum impact with tactical precision. The synergy among ground units and intelligence frameworks has enhanced response time, enabling security forces to act swiftly the moment actionable information surfaces. As per assessment made by various intelligence agencies, there are approximately 30 to 35 Pakistani terrorists currently in the Jammu region. Inputs gathered over the past few months suggest that these Pakistani terrorist groups, finding themselves cornered by successful counter-terror operations, have shifted deeper into higher and middle mountain reaches of the region, areas now devoid of habitation. These terrorists are believed to be seeking temporary winter hideouts to evade detection and avoid direct confrontation with security troops. Security forces have launched concurrent operations along valleys, mid-altitude regions and high ridges to maintain overlapping control and deny any potential movement corridor. Each operation is followed by sustained surveillance, ensuring that areas once cleared remain under watch. This surveillance sweep surveillance cycle forms the cornerstone of the Army's new winter doctrine, balancing aggressive field operations with steady technological oversight. India's defenders stand resolute, turning the season of stillness into one of unwavering vigilance and action.